Struggling to choose between Publisher Rocket and BookBolt to boost your Amazon KDP success? Let's break down these powerhouse tools in just 90 seconds. First up, Publisher Rocket excels in keyword analysis. Type in a topic, and it reveals estimated monthly searches, competition scores, and potential profit margins. This helps you discover high-demand, low-competition keywords to target. BookBolt counters with its robust keyword tool. Not only does it offer keyword search volume and competition data, but also long-tail keywords and related searches. Moving on to category selection, Publisher Rocket simplifies finding profitable categories by revealing hidden Amazon categories that might not be readily apparent. BookBolt includes a category finder, showing you available categories and a more in-depth research. Publisher Rocket's competitor analysis feature is a game-changer. It allows you to dissect your competitors' book details, pricing strategies, and BSR, giving you a competitive edge. BookBolt features a cover designer, which is useful for people who want to take cover design into their own hands. It has templates and different design elements that makes it quick and easy. Price-wise, Publisher Rocket is a one-time purchase, while BookBolt offers monthly or yearly subscription plans. Choose based on your budget and commitment level. In conclusion, Publisher Rocket is ideal if you're looking for keyword research and simplicity, while BookBolt shines as an all-in-one solution with design capabilities. The best choice depends entirely on your individual KDP needs and budget. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more KDP tips, and let us know in the comments which tool you prefer.